Water, earth, fire, wood. Long ago, the 4 projects lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when we bought our new Devil Forge. Only the shrimp, master of all 4 projects, could control them, but when the world needed him most, he vanished. 100 years have passed, and Reese and I have discovered the new shrimp, a beanpole named Cow, and although his wood-turning skills are great, he has a lot to learn before he's ready to save anyone. I believe shrimp can save the world.